everyone who is today. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today I want to share to you some article about tornado case show that DEFI can street regulation. DEFI developers seriously need to consider working with regulators or compliance issues if they want their projects to success. The United States Treasury Department Office of Foreign Assets Control (OFAC) issued sanctions against another case this month, marking its fair action against allegedly Swedish mixer in what might prove to be a watershed moment for DEFI regulation. A lack of response and regulatory preparation from the industry is first past user pricing of amused harness unsaid the rule of law. Yet the potential of DEFI in strengthening if its leaders do not face the reality that regulation in this space will only increase. Taking steps to work with regulators is now the only way forward. On August 8, OFAC targeted another case for processing transactions totaling more than uh, 5, 15 billion on behalf of illicit actors. Consequences of the action are severe. U.S. individuals and companies, including credit agents and financial institutions, are now prohibited from transacting with tornado cash addresses. This will hinder criminals' ability to launder funds through the service, which has become a profiled part of the cybercrime ecosystem. However, OFAC's action against tornado case sends a clear message to everyone in the space. The EFI is now firmly in regulators' crosshair and one is strict regulatory regulation. Tornado-Cast Community Fund multi-signature wallets disband amid sanction. History tells us it is inevitable now that regulatory scrutiny will only accelerate. Prevailing DEFI thinks in a tendency to ignore or brush these faults under the surface. But a rating is needed. Regulators' motives are not malevolent. They are simple, trying to verify line or suppressing crime without nurturing the positive potential of DEFI. To evidence this, a financial action task force report published earlier this year noted that cross-chain bridges are facilitating the growth of DEFI, but are also enabling criminals to swap funds more swiftly, generating money laundering risk. The negative focus in on the crime, not the technology or its potential. DEFI developers and those participating in the ecosystem will certainly need to consider working with regulators or compliance issues if they want their projects to succeed. Concerningly, the reaction of many DeFi developers and others in the ecosystem has been outspoken and argues that DeFi is by nature unregulatable because regulation involves imposing rules on decentralized intermediaries. The argument runs regulation DEFI is not possible. Consequently, many DEFI projects have not attempted to comply because they believe they are safely beyond regulators' reach. For some, the hope of accomplishing fair shades of regulatory compliance has been comforting enough, but another case rendered this unrealistic. The Maxer reportedly claimed to be complying with all VAC sanctions. However, the U.S. Treasury indicates in its judgment on Tornado gas that it repeatedly failed to improve with control designed to stop the If from laundering farmers let cyber acts on regular basis and without the signature to address this risk. Okay, maybe this is not time for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.